Well, I guess I hit the record button this time. Yeah, guys, I just made a video. It wasn't too long anyway, but it was a good video. I wasted it because I didn't hit the record button anyway. What I was saying is, today's day 9 on semen retention, okay? And focus on my circadian rhythm, okay? Early to bed, early to rise with the sun. In Jesus Christ's almighty name. When we go against the forces of nature, it takes a toll on our overall well-being. But when we cooperate with the forces of nature, it helps us, okay? And in a lot of cases, we stop aging. So stay young, stay blessed, only through the mighty name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Yahushua. Phillipians 4:13.